Believe it or not, colonizing Mars might be a total pipe dream, and I've got the facts to back it up. The idea of setting foot on Mars and making it a new home for humans has captured our imagination for decades. It's a concept that's been romanticized in movies, books, and even by space agencies. The allure of Mars lies in its potential to provide a backup plan for humanity's survival, a new frontier for resources, and a chance to expand our presence in the solar system. One of the biggest hurdles is the harsh Martian environment. The planet's atmosphere is too thin to support liquid water, and the pressure is so low that liquid water can't exist on the surface. This makes it difficult to sustain life as we know it. Then there's the issue of distance. Mars is about 140 million miles away from Earth, making transportation and communication a significant challenge. We'd need to develop reliable and efficient ways to travel to and from Mars, which is a daunting task. Another major obstacle is the technological limitation. We'd need to develop infrastructure that can support human life, such as habitats, life support systems, and energy generation. This requires significant advances in materials science, robotics, and engineering. Not to mention the psychological effects of long-term space travel and isolation on the human mind. The impact on astronauts' mental health could be severe, and we still don't fully understand how to mitigate these effects. Let's dive deeper into some of the specific issues. For instance, water is essential for human survival, but Mars is extremely dry. Any water that exists is mostly in the form of ice, which would require significant energy to extract and process. The temperatures on Mars are also extreme, ranging from -125 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius, making it difficult to maintain a stable environment. And then there's the issue of radiation. Mars' atmosphere provides little protection against cosmic radiation, which can have devastating effects on human health. Prolonged exposure to radiation can increase the risk of cancer, damage the central nervous system, and even lead to death. Some experts believe that these challenges might be insurmountable. According to a recent study, the Martian environment is so hostile that it's unlikely humans could survive for more than a few decades without significant technological advancements. Even if we managed to establish a temporary presence on Mars, it's unclear whether we could ever make it a sustainable and self-sufficient colony. The costs of sending humans to Mars are also staggering, with estimates suggesting that a single mission could cost upwards of $200 billion. In light of these challenges, it's clear that colonizing Mars is a much more complex task than we initially thought. The hurdles we face are significant, and it's uncertain whether we can overcome them. So, what does this mean for the future of Mars exploration? It doesn't necessarily mean that we'll abandon our efforts to explore Mars, but it does mean that we need to be more realistic about our goals and timelines. So, what do you think? Can humans really set foot on Mars and make it a new home? Share your thoughts in the comments below.